Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off AI prompts and Facebook comments. So that's actually so easy to be done, and I will show you in both your phone and also your PC or computer. So just open up your Facebook app, and after that I would just want you to head over into your profile picture on the top right corner, tap on it, and right here I want you just to scroll down until you can see the settings option, settings and privacy. So by tapping on settings and privacy, you now you can see the settings option right here. So tap on it, and after that I want you to scroll down until you can see the posts option here in the section of audience and visibility. So tap on posts, and after that I want you to turn this option into off, from on into off. Anyways, that's for phone. So let's head over into the computer solution. So actually guys, it's the same. You just need to go into your profile picture on the top right corner also and tap on it, or click on it, and after that I want you to go into the settings and privacy, then settings, and I want you to go into the left menu here on this window and scroll down until you can see the same option as phone options, and tap and click on posts, and right here you will find that option. So you need to make sure that it's off also in your PC account or your PC computer Facebook. So that's it guys, that's how you can do that. And as you can see, it's so easy and so simple. So everyone, if you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.